Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Balance sheet questions look scary, but this one folds fast if you track required reserves, excess reserves, and the multiplier. Watch this. You've got it. Start with the required reserve ratio, 10% or 0.10. That means the bank must keep 10% of its deposits as required reserves, and anything above that becomes excess reserves. The balance sheet shows the bank currently holds $250 billion in reserves, and required reserves are $100 billion, so excess reserves equal $150 billion. That is the amount it can lend out. Now use the money multiplier, which is 1 divided by 0.10, giving 10. Well done! Option C. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs or steps. The rule is trust the given numbers and check each step carefully.